How to create menu in Wix Studio. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to create a menu. So what you're going to do is you're simply going to check out the design that you're already working on, and you can see that we have a menu already at the header. So what you could do is you can just double click our section over here, and we will be able to actually select our header over here, or the menu that we have in our header, as you can see. So we have our horizontal menu. So if you click on manage menu, we can now modify our menu over here on the left side. As you can see, you could now modify which pages are going to appear. You could add a menu item over here. As you can see, right now only a few is appearing, so I hid majority of this. If you want items to show in the menu, you can simply click on show in menu, and it's going to populate the menu area over here. If you want to add items, you can simply click on add menu item over here below, and we will be able to see here that we have multiple options that we could add. We have links, section, anchor, drop down, or even a new page. So after that, you can simply save or leave that be, and now you will have your new menu over here. Or you could also search it up in the add elements over here if you want to create a separate menu different from what you already have. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.